Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will understand types of fraction. First is proper fraction, a fraction where numerator is smaller than denominator. In example, we can see that 7 is smaller than 15. So it is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction, a fraction where denominator is greater than or equal to numerator. In example, we can see 8 is larger than the 7. So it is improper fraction. Third is mixed fraction. As the name suggests, is a mix of whole number and proper fraction. Example, 2 1 by 7. 2 is a whole number and 1 by 7 is a proper fraction. Fourth is equivalent fraction. A fraction that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to same value. In example, we can see that first circle is half shaded and half non-shaded. Second circle having 4 parts, out of 4, 2 are shaded and 2 are non-shaded. And on simplify, we get 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. In third circle, we have a total 6 parts. Out of 6, 3 are shaded and 3 are non-shaded. Means half circle is shaded. So it's again equivalent to 1 by 2. Fifth type is unit fraction. A fraction having a numerator always 1. So an example like 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 7. Sixth type is like fraction. Like fraction having a fractions having same denominator like 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Seventh is unlike fraction, means having different denominators like 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Now it's a trick time. I generally observe that students got confused between proper fraction and improper fraction. So you can learn proper fraction with the term tin, means tiny numerator, and improper fraction with the term bin, means big numerator. Let's recap with the help of one exercise. Question number 1 is which of the following is not a proper fraction? Means we need to find where numerator is bigger than the denominator. So here the option B is the answer. Second question, what type of fraction is 2 by 3? Here 2 is smaller than 3, so it's a B option, proper fraction. The third question is which of the following is not a mixed number? So by observing all the options, I see A will be the answer. Fourth question is which of the following is a unit fraction? The unit fraction having numerator always 1. So here we can see C is the option. Fifth one is which of the following is an improper fraction? Whereas numerator is bigger than the denominator. So D will be the answer. So sixth question is what type of fraction is 7 by 5? 7 is bigger than the denominator. So it is a D option, improper fraction. The last one is which of the following is a mixed number? So by the options, A is the answers. So students, I hope that you have understood well about the types of fraction. Keep doing practice because practice makes perfect, and share the tricks with your friends to learn types of fractions as well. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.